Next example, if q0 comma 1 is equidistant from p 5 comma minus 3 and or x comma 6, find the value of x. Also find the distances q r and p r. Here point q is equidistant from point p and point r. It means pq equal to qr. Okay, use this condition to find x value. Okay, here points are q0 comma 1, p 5 comma minus 3 or x comma 6. Okay, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, we know distance between any 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, here pq equal to rq. Here rq equal to root over x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Okay, it is equal to x2. x2 is 5, x1 is 0 whole square, y2 is minus 3, y1 is 1 whole square, which is equal to x3 is x, x1 is 0 whole square, y3 is 6 minus y1 is 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, square root get cancelled. Finally we get x square, 5 square, minus 3 minus 1, minus 4, minus 4 square, x square, 6 minus 1 is 5 square. Okay, 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, x square, 5 square is 25, 25 get cancelled. Here x square is equal to 16, x equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, here we get x values 4 or minus 4. Therefore point r is x comma 6. Here x value plus or minus 4. Okay, 4 comma 6 or minus 4 comma 6 with point r 4 comma 6 qr. Here we have to find distances qr and pr. Okay, qr equal to root over point q is 0 comma 1. Okay, 0 comma 1 is a q. qr is x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 1 minus 6 whole square, which is equal to 4 square, 1 minus 6 minus 5 whole square, 4 square is 16, 5 square minus 5 square is 25, 16 plus 25. qr equal to root over 41, pr equal to point p equal to 5 comma minus 3. Okay, pr root over 5 minus 4 whole square, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, 5 minus 4 root of 1 square, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 whole square, 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81, 1 plus 81 it is equal to 82. Okay, pr equal to root of 82. Okay, pr equal to root 82, qr equal to root 41. Okay, next with point r equal to point r is minus 4 comma 6. Okay, here qr equal to root over minus 4 minus q are equal to q or minus 4 minus 0 whole square 6 minus 1 whole square. Root over 4 square is 16, 6 minus 1 5, 5 square is 25, which is equal to root 41. Okay, next p or equal to p or minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. Okay, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square, 6 minus into minus plus 6 plus 3 9 square, minus 9 square is 81 plus 9 square is 81. This is 9 into root 2. Okay, next example, find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is the equidistant from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay, if point p x comma y is equidistant from the points a 3 comma 6 and b minus 3 comma 4, then ap equal to bp. Here we get the relation ap equal to bp. Okay, see, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. ap is root over ap, x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to bp root over x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square root over x2 is 3 minus x1 is x whole square, y2 is 6